Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, since 1996, Microsoft Office, as you may well know, has supported ActiveX as an option for extending and automating documents. So, as an example, ActiveX controls can be used to create buttons and checklists in Office documents, just to mention a simple example. But the only problem with ActiveX is it's also a major security risk and can cause security vulnerabilities. Now, because of this, Microsoft now is starting to turn off ActiveX in the Microsoft 365 apps, which they started doing in Office 2024. And Microsoft has mentioned that starting this month, April, the Windows versions of Microsoft Word, Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Visio will have a new default configuration for ActiveX controls, and that will be called Disable All Controls Without Notification. Now, the previous default setting, according to Microsoft, which was Prompt Me Before Enabling All Controls with Minimal Restrictions, allowed you to enable potentially dangerous ActiveX controls, according to Microsoft, which could be exploited by attackers through social engineering or malicious files. The new default setting is more secure, says Microsoft, because it blocks these controls entirely, reducing the risk of malware or unauthorized code execution. Now, how this is all going to work, Microsoft says that when you open a file that contains ActiveX controls, you'll notice a business bar that appears at the top that reads block content. The ActiveX content in this file is blocked, and you've also got a link to click on, learn more if you want some more information. Now, as mentioned, the change has already rolled out in Microsoft Office 2024, but now it's coming to the Microsoft 365 apps as well. Now, according to Microsoft, this feature is available to all beta channel users and is rolling out to current channel users running version 2504, build 18730.20030 or later. Now, something that's important to note, Microsoft says that ActiveX is not being completely removed from the Office apps. And they mention that some organizations will still be able to enable the feature, and personal accounts can toggle the feature back on by navigating to File, Options, Trust Center Settings, ActiveX Settings, and then clicking on Prompt Me Before Enabling All Controls with Minimal Restrictions. So it's just something to take note of. And I actually think this is a nice move. I think ActiveX is a little bit kind of outdated and is quite a major security risk for phishing and other scams. So I think this is a step in the right direction. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.